If you're looking for inspiration and styling ideas to decorate your entryway, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 3 different ways to style an entry console using tips that work no matter what your style, the size of your console, or your budget. If you're new here, I'm Dia, an interior designer and home stylist, and on this channel I share practical tips and styling ideas to help you create a home that's both elegant and functional. In this video, I will walk you through each look step by step, explaining the design decisions that make each vignette look balanced, intentional, and elevated. My goal is not only to inspire you, but help you understand the why behind each decision so you can confidently recreate these looks using things you already have in your home. So let's get started. Here is one of my favorite ways to style a console table. It's elegant, practical, and has that effortless asymmetry that feels curated but not overly staged. I'll start with a lamp. It adds soft, layered lighting, and more than anything, it gives the space that warm, welcoming glow right when you walk in. I create a little grouping next to the lamp with a touch of greenery and a candle to add texture and interest without feeling cluttered. This little footed ceramic vessel is actually a thrift shop find. I love the shape. It elevates the plant just a bit to give it more presence. I'm using a slab of petrified wood as a base. You could use anything flat as a base. It's just a way to add layered interest. I'm finishing off this side with a single metal snuffer. Just a small detail, but it adds another texture and introduces a different material. If you look closely, the arrangement forms an imaginary triangle. That's what helps make it feel visually balanced even though it's asymmetrical. The mix of materials and textures like wood on the lamp, ceramic vessel, stone base, and metal snuffer all work off each other beautifully. And none of the colors are matchy-matchy, but they still feel cohesive. On the other side, I keep it simple. I stack a book and place a bowl on top. Perfect for dropping your keys and sunglasses. Again, see how the colors complement the scheme, but are not identical. This creates a cohesive, well-balanced look. And even though everything is off-center, it all works together. If your console is longer than mine, just scale up your pieces. A larger lamp, a bigger plant, or a taller candle, and you'll still get that well-composed look. If your console has a lower shelf like mine, you can anchor the whole setup with a pair of lidded boxes. I like using 2 in the same material but different sizes. It creates a subtle pyramid effect that adds structure. And just like that, you've got a stylish, functional entry arrangement that feels warm, intentional, and elegant. Now, if you prefer a more minimal, airy look, this one's for you. I'm using fewer items but playing with texture and shape to keep it interesting. I'll start with 2 vases in the same color but different heights. I place one slightly in front of the other to create a little bit of movement. I add greenery to one of them. A single green branch is enough to bring in that natural element without making the arrangement feel heavy. Leaving the other vase empty helps the shape stand out and adds contrast. To balance the other side, I add a slim marble tray. Then layer in a candle and a few small accent pieces in coordinating colors but different textures. See how the travertine coaster ties in with the color of the artwork above and picks up the brownish color in the magnolia stem? And the green candle pulls that color over to this side. It's a small touch, but those are the little details that make a vignette feel thoughtful. If your console is larger, you can easily use a trio of vases and scale up your pieces for proportion. And if you'd rather use the tray for keys, just remove the match jar and snuffer to make space. Down on the lower shelf, I'm grounding the look with a large decorative bowl. I've filled it with geodes and zeolites. It is something raw and natural that still works with the colors on top. But you can use other bowl filler to get a similar look. And there you have a minimal, layered entry arrangement that feels fresh, bright, and intentional. Now for a more centered approach, this one is great if you love symmetry. I'm starting with a tall vase and floral arrangement right in the center. It instantly gives the whole console structure and a focal point. On one side, I add a book and top it with a ribbed black marble box. I'm using it without the lid, so it doubles as a little drop spot for keys and glasses. On the other side, I build a small grouping of accessories. I've got a round black marble trivet here as a base. Then I layer in the same travertine coaster I used earlier. The warm tone complements the florals and the book, and I'm angling it to create visual interest. I add a candle that echoes the color of the florals. Again, the materials and color tones are slightly different, but they tie together beautifully. It's all about subtle cohesion, not perfect matching. On the lower shelf, I'm adding a lidded rattan box. It's a perfect spot for hiding magazines or books. But if the top of the console feels visually full, feel free to leave the bottom shelf empty. That would actually help draw more attention to the arrangement above. And that's it. An easy, clean, and centered way to create an entry with balance and intention. So there you have it, 3 different ways to style an entry console: asymmetrical and functional, minimal and airy, and balanced with a strong center focus. If you've been following me for a while, you might recognize some of these pieces. That's because I love reusing what I already have, just styled in different ways. It's all about making the most of what you own and creating a space that feels beautiful and lived in. Let me know which look you're drawn to. I hope this video gave you plenty of inspiration and also help you understand why certain styling techniques work so well. Once you understand how to mix and balance height, shapes, textures, and colors, styling any surface, whether it be an entry console or a coffee table, becomes so much easier and a whole lot of fun. Drop me a note in the comments which of these was your favorite, and will you be trying one in your own home? Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss future videos packed with interior design tips and styling ideas. And if you want more styling inspiration, make sure to check out my coffee table styling video, which I will link here and in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.